Okay, I'm going to try and add to my EliteBook a SSD, and I'm going to, God willing, replace the CD drive with an SSD. So let's get this open. Can't get the screwdriver like this. See, I'm no drive hard right. I know there's a way to replace this the bezel here. But let's see how it goes. Okay. Running back at one piece. Yeah, that's pretty straightforward. Screwdriver here. Jump there. Now I'm waiting for the computer to shut down. See that thing. Now, this is a crucial quarter of a terabyte. And it seems like I can get it open without breaking this seal. Looks like the computer just shut down. Well, they're not making it easy to get into. Is flathead screwdriver here. Flathead screwdriver should get it open. Now I decided going this way instead of getting a larger. Get started. Installation guide, I don't think I need that. I think we'll comes with some disc. What kind of stuff do I need? This thing I could probably just pop it in there, and so that seems pretty straightforward there. I think I want to put my old drive into this. In case I want to maybe one day put the old, what's it called, the old optical drive back in, so that is the optical drive. Now this is the EliteBook. Old one, but I like it. So let's get this thing open. Yeah, so see here that the bezel does look very. Yeah, should really replace that bezel. Okay. Also going to take out the battery. First things first, let's see if I can get out this hard drive. There are three screws that I need to take out to get the hard drive out. One. Now this looks very dangerous, like it's gonna fall into those holes. Wish I had a pair of tweezers here. I probably do. Okay. Okay, so it comes up like this. It looks like it's supposed to come straight up. Well, the screws maybe didn't come out all the way. No. That's all we gotta do. We gotta unplug it from the SATA first. Okay. Now it's going through. There we go. Now we've got this caddy here, and there's no spring-loaded screws. That's interesting. Okay, now how do we get it now? Okay, so we've got screws on the side to take out the and they're pretty well. Screws on the side here that are holding it into the caddy. See that this isn't such a big. I don't want to strip the straw, but it's stuck in there. Let me see, maybe I have a bigger screwdriver. Better luck. Better luck with a bigger screwdriver that I can get a grip on. That was much better. Massive screwdriver. Opa! That wasn't good. Okay, those two screws out of there. These other Torx screws on the top. Now, are those holding it in there as well? Let's see. I think so. I think those Torx screws are part of the drive itself. Oh yeah, that came loose there. Okay, so that's the old Seagate 320 gig. I decided to go against getting a larger. It's in there pretty snug. A larger drive because it's gonna going this route because it ends up being cheaper. Then I don't remember when is the last time that I used a optical disc. So screw it in there. No, I didn't use the screw. Much lighter. Okay, let's get him situated back into the. Let's get everything screwed down in there. So plastic thing, which I don't have any idea what this went to. That's not a good sign. Don't remember hearing anything break. whatever it is, it looked like it broke off. All right, get back in there. Now it's time for installing this into the... He didn't come with any screws. Or did it? Came with screwdrivers and not any screws. The switch here as well, which I don't have any idea what the switch is for. Oh no, there are screws in there. That's interesting. Okay, there are screws way deep into the... You can see here, there's deep screws in there. I went this way that I want to be able to, here you can see through the little hole here. It's getting a very interesting. Hold the drive into place. I wanted to be able to one day, if I need a little more space, that I can swap out this drive, which is failing. I can swap him out for a regular size hard drive. This one I can't really see it, that it's actually going in. Feels good enough. Okay, now that's installed in the caddy. Now let's see about getting out the old optical drive. This actually looks like it's going to be a bit more I was smart, I would look up how to do this first. Now I may just be able to slide this thing out. It looks like it should go in here. Now, let's see. You know what? I'm going to be smart and I'm going to look up how to do this.